What if you could clone a top professional Forex trader and put him to work for you, only paying him pennies a day? Someone who consistently generates a 2% daily return on investment, doubling your money every 60 days with minimal losses and barely any risks. Someone who has generated over 90% profits in the last 60 days with a 78.1% win-loss ratio. And through years of hardcore experience, raids the Forex market with mind-boggling trades like this? What if getting results like these in your Forex account was entirely possible with a simple click of a button? Creating a virtual clone of this high-performing trader, what would it mean to you? It would mean you'd make outrageous profits on the Forex market without learning a new system, without babysitting your trade station waiting for alerts, and without worrying about a robot destroying your account, because a human clone can react to economic moves and random market moves while your typical robot would blindly trade by his built-in rules, even if it means bleeding cash. Now you might say this is science fiction. It's not real. But I'm here to tell you differently. For the first time ever, this pip-sucking cloning technology is available to you. That's not all. This trading technology works for you even if you've never made a single trade in your life before. Even if you've tried everything else already and nothing's worked. Even if you have very little money to start, and even if you can barely find the time to focus on trading right now. Even if you can't seem to get ahead, always winning just a little and losing it back to the market. In fact, I want you to pay attention to me for the next few minutes, especially if you just had the worst drawdown and you want to make all your money back. You've been burnt by a bunch of robots and expert advisors, and you're about to throw your arms up and give up. You're completely overwhelmed with all the courses, systems, charting software, books, newsletters, coaching, trading rooms, and signal services, and you feel like your head is about to explode. I'm about to show you something so radical and so profitable, I would boldly say without hesitation, this is nothing like you've ever seen before. Watch it flood your account with 50, 100, even 200 pip trades on autopilot. Here's what I'm talking about. I'm Mike Foley, a professional Forex trader. Since 1987, I've managed well over $300 million trading the Forex for my clients and myself. I've made money trading all 6 major currency pairs on the New York and London sessions. On average, I make anywhere from a 20 to 40% return on investment every month. You heard that right, every month, not every year. Now here are a few screenshots of my account to prove I'm the real thing. Now, I don't tell you this to brag. I tell you this information because I want you to know I'm coming from a place of experience. And what I'm about to show you really works. I've been through booms and busts, recessions and wild bull runs, you name it. I've seen it all. During the '87 crash, I was cashing in on the weakness of the Australian and New Zealand dollars. During the tech bust, I was making a killing on dollars getting stronger. On 9/11, I was riding the dollar going all the way down. And recently, when the Greece bankruptcy was just killing the markets, I was profiting off the euro and US dollar all the way down. I want you to know that because it's important. It's important to what I'm about to share with you. This technology makes you money on the Forex without robots, systems, and coaching. It's important you know. I'm not a marketer who hired a programmer to make an untested and unproven robot. I'm not an amateur trader who's had a little success on the Forex and thought that was good enough to start selling his expertise or robot or whatever. In fact, I'm not even a trading coach looking to sell you an expensive seminar or boot camp. I'm simply a really great trader who is sick and tired of seeing what is being peddled to the Forex traders around the world. Today, I want to introduce you to a trading technology that will completely change the way you think about making money on the Forex. This cloning technology makes consistent profits at 50 to 200 pips every trading day with a 78.1% win-loss ratio. In the last 60 days, it's pulled in an outrageous 90% return. And the best part, it's so easy to use you'll be in a state of shock and disbelief for the first few days after installing the software as it pumps in profitable trade after profitable trade, filling your trading account with margin-free cash. Now imagine just for a minute, after you install this trading technology, which takes less than 3 minutes, and the only reason you log onto your account every day is to see how much money it's made you, you don't have to sit in front of your computer waiting for trade alerts. You don't have to fiddle around with trading rules like you might have to with a robot. You don't even have to leave your computer on. It's truly on autopilot and even looks like a robot. It trades the market like a smart professional live trader. It sounds crazy, but I'll explain everything in just a minute. Now first, I just want to emphasize again that this is not a robot. While it's based on a set of disciplined trading rules and it makes consistent profits, it doesn't follow its rules blindly when the economic news or major market changes. This also isn't a signal service. I'm not going to text, email, or fax you alerts. That's just too slow for the Forex market. And I also don't want you burning your eyes out in front of the monitor waiting for me to tell you what to do. Finally, this isn't a coaching program. I'm not going to spend tons of time teaching you what I know, showing you live trades and hoping you'll get what I do so that you can emulate me when you trade. I simply can't download years of experience into your head and expect you to produce the same results I'm promising on this website. That's just unrealistic and frankly deceptive. The fact is, I know I'm a great Forex trader and I've always known there's an effective way to share or just help out other people with my skills, but I couldn't figure out a way that was quick, easy, and without a large upfront investment until now. Here's what it's all about. Over the last 25 years, I've tried many ways to do more with what I got. At one point, I ran a money management firm where investors from around the world would wire me anything from $500,000 to a couple $1,000,000 so I could trade the Forex for them. Now don't get me wrong, I made tons of money doing that. I set it up so I took a fat percentage, 10 to 20% of the profits I made for my clients. The only problem was there was a lot of rules and regulations to keep up with. The lawyer fees for running that business was absurd. I thought about teaching too. Several people I knew in the industry had done that and made some pretty good money. The problem with that was I had to keep marketing my seminars every time I did one. And like I said, I'm not a marketer and I hate selling myself. Personally, I didn't like the fact that people were paying upwards of $3,000 for a weekend when more than half of them would do nothing with the material, and it would just frustrate the hell out of me. So I thought to myself, how can I help more people make more money on the Forex with minimal time and nearly zero effort and start making money the very moment you get involved with me? That's when I came up with my cloning technology. It's genius if I do say so myself. And here's what it is. It's called Forex Profit Copier, and how it works is you install what looks like a robot into your MetaTrader EA folders. It's not a robot though. What it is a way for me to send my profitable trades directly into your MT4 account and make the trade for you. So you make money without ever touching your account. So basically it's both an EA and signal service at the same time. I send you the exact same winning trades I'm making in my personal account in real time. And my clone in your MT4 executes the very same trade. Look at it another way. It's like a Forex mutual fund, except you could turn it on and off at will without the nasty management fees. So by literally cloning myself, I can help traders around the world make money on the Forex without dealing with a bunch of rules and legal stuff and ensuring everything I recommend is acted on. So you make maximum profit with minimal effort and basically zero time invested. And it simply cannot get any easier to use than how I've set it up. It's so mind-numbingly easy to start making money with Forex Profit Copier. All you have to do is download the cloning software, stick it into your EA folder on the MetaTrader 4, and flip it on. That's it. Immediately, you'll start to see me making profitable trades on your account. Yes, that's me live in person making the exact same trades in my personal account as well. When I make money, you make money. When I cut losses, you'll be sure to know I'm pulling you out of the fire too. Ultimately, what Forex Profit Copier in your trading life means is this. You can finally stop babysitting your trade station, waiting for signals to appear, kicking yourself if you miss profitable trades because you were not in front of your computer. You can unglue your eyes from the monitor, safely knowing a robot isn't making arbitrary trades based on the rules that can be outdated any minute, or worse, a robot trading blindly, not knowing when big economic news hits or when market fluctuations are swinging too wildly for it to work. And you can stop worrying about making emotional trades and losing a lot of money. Simply let me handle that, and you get to turn off the system whenever you feel like it. You could make money on the Forex market without thinking about time frames, currency pairs, entry signals, stop-loss ratios, and take-profit strategies. Especially for newer traders, it's a lot of new information to take in, never mind actually doing it. You can even make Forex profits with your computer off. Sound impossible? It's not with this online software I know about. I'll show you where to get it, how to set it up, and just imagine all the free time you'd get. Most importantly, you see Forex results like these in your trading account. Now others would charge you an arm and a leg to hand you their Forex secrets. I'm just going to get you results instead. Now let's get very clear here on what you're getting. There are trading classrooms and seminars out there charging upwards of $5,000 for a weekend. What you end up with is a head full of theory and maybe the opportunity to watch a master make a few trades live. Do you actually make money from it? No. And then there are the books and home study courses, some as much as $2,000. Many of them end up on bookcases and shelves with the shrink wrap still on them. Truth is, who's got the time to go through manuals, CDs, DVDs these days, especially if you have a job, mortgage, and kids? It's simply unrealistic. Now you could have someone else tell you exactly what to do and when to do it. Those are so-called signal services. They charge you upwards of $200 a month, and what they do is email, fax, or text you trades they may or may not be making themselves. On the other side, we have robots made by programmers, marketers, and amateur traders who are out there just to make a quick buck and have absolutely no trading experience. Sure, they're cheap, but they will also destroy your Forex account in a matter of seconds if you let it anywhere near your trading account. Now what I've done here is the best of both worlds. You only get trade signals that I am personally making in my trading account, and you don't have to sit in front of your computer waiting for me to tell you when to trade. It's done for you with my unique cloning software. It looks like an EA, you install an MT4, but acts nothing like one. Now you may be asking how much you have to invest in a service like this. I could easily charge more than $200 each and every month, and after all, not only am I giving you 100% access to my each and every trade, I'm also executing the trades for you. Look at it another way. If you were to hire a top professional Forex trader or hedge fund manager to trade your money, first, they would take anywhere from 1 to 3% management fees every year, whether they made you money or not. Now secondly, they take 10 to 20% of your profits when they actually make you money. And finally, most of these guys don't even want to talk to you unless you have at least $50,000 to burn. With Forex Profit Copier, you can start with as little as $500 and still profit like crazy on the Forex. So here's the deal. You're not going to pay me a percentage of your profits. That's your money. Keep it. You're also not going to pay your typical signal service fee of $200 a month. You won't even pay $100 a month. I've created a severe discount for you, and I'll tell you what it is in a moment. Of course, you may be asking yourself, if this guy is so good, why is he selling his trades for so cheap? And it's a valid question. And I'd be suspicious too. But here's the honest truth. I'm expanding my services. Up until now, I've only let a few friends and colleagues in on my automated signal service. And they've profited handsomely, and they're eager to log into their trading platform every night to see what kind of money I've made for them. But I want to make a huge difference and help as many struggling Forex traders as possible. So I've set the introductory rate at basement bargain prices. I want you to experience the same success my friends have so far. Now just look at some of the recent trades I've made that have made both my friends and me a lot of money. So what is your investment in my services? One off, $67. Now this is pennies compared to the money you'll make even with a small starter Forex account. In fact, spread out over the first month, that's only $2.23 a day. And starting from the second month, it'll be free. In other words, with a $500 Forex account that's just profiting 0.25% a day, you'll break even. And I can assure you, I do better than that. Much better. In fact, in the last 60 days, my daily average return on investment has been 2%. Now you have to ask yourself, what does $2.23 per day get you these days? If $2.23 a day meant you could leave your day job faster, would you do it? If $2.23 a day meant you could pay off your mortgage earlier, would that make sense? If $2.23 a day meant you never have to worry about money again, because that $2.23 a day can make you an extra $500, $2,000, even up to $5,000 or more every single month, would it make 100% sense for you to do that? Let's get started. Let's put Forex Profit Copier to work for you so you can start profiting on Forex right away. Finally getting substantially positive return on your investment. Possibly make back everything you've lost so far. Click on the register button below now. I'm going to make you an unheard of deal here. I want you to go ahead and try my automatic trading system for 56 days. Simply install my non-EA into MT4 and let them rip. You'll immediately start to see me making profitable trades in your account, and you'll see results right away. You'll see me take advantage of economic events. No robot can do that. You'll see me reacting to market changes on the fly. No EA can do that. You'll see me getting out of bad trades like I'm tearing off a Band-Aid. No system can do this without breaking its own rules. And most importantly, you're going to see the profitable trades pile up as your account grows fatter and fatter with cash. In and out of trades like I'm stealing pips from the market. And that's how I play. And you're going to share in all of it. Just click on the register button below and we'll get started. But I get it. It's hard to believe my talk without seeing my walk, so here's what I'm going to do for you. What if I took away all the risk? I'm going to offer you my double your investment or money back guarantee. Here's how it works. I want you to just try my service, create a separate Forex trading account, and put in the minimum $500. I want you to let Forex Profit Copier run its full course for 56 days, and I'm making the bold promise that you'll make at least quadruple what you paid for the Forex Copier. Now that's nearly 30% return in 2 months, and I promise to do that every month you're subscribed to Forex Profit Copier and running it. If that doesn't happen, I want you to contact me right away and ask for every penny back. You will not see another guarantee like this anywhere ever again, I assure you. This is how confident I am of my trading capabilities. Take advantage of this guarantee now. Click on the Add to Cart button below this video now. Lock in your rate now before it goes up. Remember, a signal service, which is essentially a top trader sitting behind a computer emailing or faxing you his trades, will cost you anywhere from $200 to $2,000 each and every month. I'm offering the exact same thing, but I've taken it a step further, and I'll make the trades for you and offer only $67. This is a screaming bargain, especially for someone with a track record like mine. You get to take full advantage of this because I don't have the celebrity status of a guru yet. I have every intention of raising the price to $87, $97, even $147 a month in the near future once I get more results from my clients like you. But I'm a loyal man of integrity, and I'll include this extra bonus. Introductory rate lockdown guarantee. You'll never have to pay a penny again. Now once you lock yourself in at $67, that's your rate for life. Even when I'm charging new clients $197 a month, you will never be billed again. And enjoy trades worth as much as 200 pips a day. Lock in your low rate today. Click on the register button below now. Are you ready to join the Forex clone invasion and pillage the market for 50 to 200 pips a day without doing an ounce of work? Frankly, as far as I know, nothing like this has ever been done before. Otherwise, I would not have invested thousands of dollars to build this software. And also, I don't know how this unique way of trading is going to play out by cloning me in thousands of dens, bedrooms, and computers, or wherever you traded, with thousands of accounts making the exact same trades at the exact same time. We very well could be affecting the market, enhancing our shared profits. Now this sounds good on paper, but I also want to stay under the radar. Unfortunate bad news. So if I start sensing something might go awry and my gut instinct is very good, I might just pull the plug and limit the number of traders in the system. I don't know what that number is right now, but I can and will pull this page the moment it happens. So if you have a very important decision to make right now, get in or stay out. Simply know that hundreds of traders, including your neighbors, brother-in-law, or colleagues, could be making these easy profits where you're left out in the cold, trying yet another robot or checking in on your manual system every other minute of your day, or worse, sitting in front of your computer watching TV reruns, waiting for your signal service to send you a trade. Ultimately, you could be enjoying your life with your family, away from the computer, and knowing a professional is handling your trades, taking only smart actions based on rules, experienced instinct, and a track record of highly profitable trades. It's your choice. Which one will it be? Click on the register button below now.